Yeah, I finally emptied this drum. Oh my god. That was... Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's bbmirasworld here again. If you're new, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back again. And thank you for sticking around. So I'm just coming back from my warehouse. The thing is, about a month or 2 months ago, a subscriber reached out to me, Tony Bayo, and okay, I'm gonna give you the real gist. But the thing is, he sent that barrel over there. Okay, you guys can see it. I guess when I get home, you guys will actually see it is huge, like really, really huge. And one thing is, when people remember people, it is an awesome stuff. So this is basically for the less privileged and the orphanage. I still don't know the stuff in there, but I guess it's clothes and things to give out to children in the orphanage home and all. And I'm glad that someone somewhere that is from Nigeria actually remembers where he's coming from and wants to help people. I'm so excited right now to be carrying this bag because this came into Nigeria like almost a week ago, and I've been looking for ways to carry it from the mainland down to the island because that is where I stay. And I actually went to a smaller Uber before, but the car was small. This stuff is actually huge, so I guess when I get home, you guys are going to see it. So I'm so excited that I'm going to do this. And anyways, I'm not yet sure about what is inside, but I guess we are going to unbox it together and see all what is inside and where they are going to be going to. So Tony Bayo, this is for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for remembering these people, the needy and everything. Thank you for using me as an avenue to share this thing out. I really appreciate it. And guys, so we are continuing the video when I get home. Right now I am heading home. See, the road is absolutely clear. It is actually 1:30 p.m. and usually no hold up. Once it's around 11:30, 12:30 till 3:30, I guess the roads are always free. So yeah, I just left the office and decided to quickly do this because I think it's the only time I have to get this thing home and see what's inside. So yeah. Wow. So here is the barrel I talked about. Guys, the barrel is here. It's so huge and heavy. I'm actually breathing fast because I have to carry it. It comes with my name, my address, and probably my phone number over there. And basically this is what it looks like. It is so huge and heavy. So you guys need to wait. Like, I have to rest first before I think of unboxing this thing. Like, I'm literally sweating now and my clothes are all stained from carrying this thing. But yeah, I'm glad I did. So I'll be back to do the unbox. So wait a minute or a few hours, whatever it is. Let me just rest first. I'll be back. So guys, it's time for us to get to see what's in this barrel. It's actually getting late, so I don't think this video is going to be so clear. And then children are already downstairs making noise, and then generator is on, so you guys should just disregard any noise you hear and just focus on what we're going to do now. So let us quickly open this barrel and see what we got here. So let us go. So here is the barrel. Trying to see how I can open this. Okay. Then, how do I open it up? That's another issue. So I finally managed to open it. So yeah. Finally. So guys, like I said before, it's basically clothes, books, and in fact, let's just see what's inside. So it's obviously closed, like I said. Like I'm still seeing clothes. That's a bag. Clothes. So let's continue in and see. So basically, they are mostly clothes. And I sincerely don't know what this is, but I'm going to find out. In case you know, just drop it on the comment below if you know what this is. So that's all that's in here. Then more of clothes. I may not have time to flip through all the clothes because they're obviously much. Shoes. So like I said, I might not have time to obviously show you all the stuff, but basically, like I said, like this for children and yeah, for adults too. So I haven't even gone half. Like I'm literally so there are more female stuff, female shoes here. We're still digging. I'm still digging. Okay, now I'm seeing little baby stuff. Little baby stuff. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is so cute and adorable. So now I think we've gotten to the part where we have little children stuff. So like I said, this part is mostly little children's dresses that are here, and this doesn't look so worn out. They look so neat, as you can see. They look extremely very neat. You guys see, look extremely so neat. So we are in the children segment right now. Yeah. Oh, this looks so cute. Yeah. So here we are still in children section, and I'm loving this, you know. See this one too. Oh my god, all these children's sweatshirts are all cute. And yeah, more of the children's wear. Guys, there's still a lot here, like a lot. Oh my god, see this. So I'm still like trying to see what's in here. And yeah, flashlight. Oh my god, who knows what's this? I'm gonna say nothing, but you all know. So this is heavy. Okay, here's something else. Who also knows what's this? Okay. There are a lot of them. So what's in the brim is shoes, different shoes. So there is really a lot in here. Tony Bayo, God is going to bless you. Like by the time I'm done giving out all these things, you can imagine the kind of blessing that is going to shower you. Oh my God, this is huge. Like I'm literally out of breath just trying to pull out stuff from here. Seriously, I'm so wowed. So people can be so generous to help the needy. This is cool. So man, guys, finally I emptied this huge drum. Like there are a lot of stuff in here, like the way I'm going to arrange them. So seriously, Tony Bai, like I said, God's going to bless you, and I don't really know how I'm going to do this, but I think I'm not going to do just one orphanage or motherless babies home. I'm just going to do a lot, like 3 or 4, because these items are so much. So I'm going to take my time and arrange them and see how I can go give them out. So guys, I have work to do here. Like I need to arrange this stuff. It's already getting it ready, and I'll have to leave you guys now. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Please, if you are in Lagos Island, around the Bamades area, or in Lagos, and you want to join me to go give these things out, please feel free to send me an email on my email. I'll leave it on the description box, or chat me up on Instagram so we can all go together to share this stuff out. So yeah, see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye bye.